Welcome to Kids Kitchen. This week we're going to make pancakes and learn a bit about vitamin D. Now, originally, pancakes were all about using up some cupboard ingredients before Lent. But you can put just about anything you like on yours. If I'm making savoury pancakes, my favourite filling is spinach and feta cheese. But today I'm making caramelised bananas. Here are my ingredients. Your equipment will vary as well depending on your filling. Here's what I'm using today. Start by sieving your flour into the mixing bowl and making a dip in the centre to mix your eggs in. Crack your eggs into the dip and mix them up. Then start adding milk a little at a time and carefully work in some flour, like this. You can see here that my mix looks a little lumpy, and when this happens you might be tempted to add more milk, but don't. You'll never get the lumps out that way. You need to work in a bit more flour and keep mixing until you have a smooth paste. Then just keep doing this a bit at a time until you have worked in all the flour. It'll only take you a few minutes. Then add your last bit of milk. You can adjust the amount that you use depending on how you like your pancakes. I like mine fairly thin, and in the end my mix looks like this. I've used roughly half a pint of milk. Now we're ready to start frying our pancakes. I like mine warm, so you might want to put a plate under the grill or in the microwave to warm up. It helps to have a thick bottom frying pan and get it really hot before adding the mix. When they're cooked, you could keep them warm under a low grill while you prepare the filling. Add a ladleful of mix to the hot pan and run it round to cover the bottom. Be really patient and wait until it's cooked at the bottom before turning it over, or it will stick. Here you can see it's ready and goes on my warm plate to wait until they're all finished. And now for the fun bit. You can try this at home, but don't blame me if you make a mess of the kitchen. One thing I'll say is, if you want to toss a pancake, be brave, make it go all the way up, otherwise it'll just flop over and be rubbish. Okay, so here goes. First of all, make sure your pancake is quite loose in the pan and not stuck to the bottom. Okay, are you ready? Woo! It worked, but it's gone all the way over. Hey! There you go. Practice makes perfect. Now we can start with the filling. I'm just going to cook some caster sugar in my frying pan until it melts and bubbles. It's really easy, but it pays to chop up your bananas first, ready to mix with the caramelised sugar. Keeping your pan hot on the cooker, just sprinkle a couple of tablespoons of caster sugar into the pan and wait until it starts to melt. As it starts to melt, stir it carefully around the pan so that it doesn't burn on the bottom. you've worked out any lumps with the back of your spoon, add all your bananas and stir them around until they're nice and coated, keeping the sugar nice and hot, otherwise it will crystallise. When your bananas are coated, put them on your pancakes. You could make them more fun by adding cream, yoghurt or ice cream or anything else that you like. And now while you're enjoying your pancakes, you can watch this quick lesson on vitamin D.